So we are going to start. We are going to start. Have your calculators ready. We're going to start with part 2. So because you need more days to study this part 2. Is that clear? Okay. Then if we still have time, we will do part 1. If we don't, we will do part 1 tomorrow. Is that clear? We are meeting every day until Sunday. So every day, 7 p.m., we are meeting. Use the same link that I shared, okay?
Okay. Miss.
Yes.
خلاص.
Miss, I have a question.
Ask.
شو يسمونه? Did you screen record this? Because some girls cannot join.
Yes, I recorded.
So I can tell them it's fine?
Yes, they should know it is fine.
Okay.
Okay, class. Part 2 starts here. In this
Vivian, I have a
section.
question.
Okay.
Where you put the record?
The record will be on YouTube. Once the link is available, I will share in the WhatsApp.
Okay.
Can we move on?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes.
This is question 42. Okay. The Su'al says, evaluate each expression. If G is 2, R is 3, and T is 11. The question is telling you to replace the harf with the rakam. So here, I see G, I'm going to
Miss,
put
can
2.
you raise your voice?
You can't hear me?
No.
No, Miss, we hear you.
So yeah, maybe it is you who's not clear your data and move where the internet is good. Okay, I'll try speak louder also. You can hear me clearly, girls?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Miss, we can.
you replace the harf with the rakam. So G is ithnina, so you will put here 2 plus 6. Because I am darbing, I'm going to use parentheses. This will be 11. Now, this will be 2 plus 66, because 6 multiply 11 is 66. I will do this part first. Then this becomes 68, and I box my answer. Then I am going to do this one. This is 7 minus G, which is 2. So every time you're replacing a half, use parentheses. Even here, if you put parentheses, it will not change anything because you're not doing anything with 2. Okay, so 2 times R, which is 3. So in this skill, if you don't read carefully or you don't put the correct rakam in the correct place, you'll easily make a mistake. So you have to read correctly. Now here I will do 2 times 3. So this will give me 7 minus 6, which gives me 1. Then here I do the same thing. R, which is 3, and I have to square it, plus parentheses for G. G is 2 cubed minus 8, all of this to the 5th power. 3 squared becomes 9, plus 2 cubed becomes 8. 8 minus 8 to the 5th power. Then this becomes 9 plus 0 to the 5th power. Okay? And 0 to the 5th power is just 0. So 9 plus 0 is 9. Now, make sure you show all your steps. Even though you're using the calculator, show all your steps, because it is the steps that gives you the mark. Are we together? Don't skip any step. Show each step. Do every rakam by itself. Okay, so now we are here on question 45. Now, here you will do 2 parentheses. What is T? T is 11. plus 3, you multiply with G, which is 2, and then you close the parentheses and then divide by 4. Okay, don't forget your equal sign. This gives me 2 times 11, which is 22, plus 3 times 2, which is 6. They should still be in parentheses, divided by 4. Then I do PEMDAS. PEMDAS says I add whatever is in the parentheses. So PEMDAS says we do what is in the parentheses. And what's in the parentheses is we are adding. 22 plus 6 is 28. When we divide by 4, that gives us 7. And we box our answer. So we come here, we do this one, t squared. T is 11. 11 squared plus 8 multiply r, which is 3, multiply t, which is 11, plus 3 squared. Okay? 11 squared should give you 121, plus 88 times 3 should give you 244, plus 9. Then I did 121 plus 244. That gave me 365 plus 9. Then I did 365 plus 9. That gave me 374. Okay, so this is equal to 3 times, what is G? G is 2. Then parentheses G plus R, which is 3, and then that's squared, then minus 1. Okay, so I will do this. That gives me 6, parentheses 5 squared minus 1. Then it gives me 6 multiplied by 25 minus 1. Then that will give me 250 minus 1, and that gave me 149. Any question up to here?
No.
We move on?
Yes.
Okay.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, how 149?
Sorry. 150 here. Sorry. I said wrong. This should be 150. Yes. Thank you for checking my work. Always check my work. Don't just accept what Miss Lillian is writing. Okay. Any su'al up to here?
No.
Okay. All right, so now let's do this one. A squared parentheses 8 squared darb 4 darb 16 minus parentheses 4 squared. Okay, so this should give me, where's my pen? Okay, 64. And then this should give me
Miss
4.
Lilian,
Yes,
you have the wrong answer.
where?
The page is
Which
not this
question?
page. Yes, the question 2. 8 times 3 times 11 is 264.
264, okay.
Yes.
Somebody confirm I wrote the wrong answer also. Where is my calculator?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
It should be 264.
Yes.
Okay, let me look for my calculator. Just give me 1 second. Can't find my calculator. Only. Okay, wait. 8 times 3 times 11. Yes, I agree with you. 264. So here, yes. 264. And then what's 121 plus 264?
385.
385. Very good. And what's 385 plus 9?
394.
394. Thank you for correcting. Very good. All right. Let's move on. So this will be minus 16. Then I can put all this in the calculator, and that should give me 4096. Somebody confirm.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, very good. All right, now let's do this one. Don't forget your equal signs. Okay. C squared is 16 squared. You put it in parentheses over B is 4 squared plus 4 squared over A squared, 8 squared. 16 squared should be 256 over 16 plus 16 over 64. And this should give you 65 over 4. Now, you cannot leave your fraction like this. It has to be simplified. For you to simplify, press equal, then shift, then SD. What do you get?
Miss,
Mm,
when we put it in the
60.
when we put it in the calculator, we
mm.
have to do يعني we have to write the this thing, the divide, the number up and down plus the number up and down.
Yes, you have to show your steps because you'll get darajat for changing this, for changing that, for changing this, for changing that.
No, in the calculator.
No. You have to do each rakam by itself. Then yes, in the calculator, you put all this like this.
Oh, okay.
When you
Miss,
put this in, when you put this in the calculator like this, it should give you 65 over 4.
Yes.
Okay, now after you get 65 over 4, press equal, press shift, and press SD. Tell me what you get.
16.25.
No, you didn't get 16.25.
Kevin.
Again, put 65 over 4, press equal, press shift, press SD.
16 1 over 4.
Yes, 16, 1 over 4. Then press SD again.
16.25.
16.25.
Now, because this question is a fraction, your answer should be a fraction. Do we understand?
Miss,
After you get the fraction, then you can change it to decimal.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, when we add a fraction, the denominator must be the same, yes?
I agree, but you're using a calculator, so the calculator is doing that for you.
Miss,
Okay.
in the final exam,
Yes.
if in the like multiple choice, if I got like this mixed number and the decimal, how do I know which one, or it wouldn't bring like this?
No, in the multiple choice, the answers will be one way, either fractions or decimals.
Okay, in the writing exam, how do I know which one to write, or should I write like you?
You should write everything.
Okay.
Okay? All right, we move on. So now here we have 2 parentheses B, which is 4, plus 3 parentheses C, which is 16, and then it's squared, over 4 parentheses 8 squared minus 2 parentheses 4. Now this becomes 8 plus, this should be 3 and 256, and this should be 4 and 64 minus 8. So then this should be 8 plus 768 over 256 minus 8. Then you should get 776 over 248. Then you press Then you press what? Equal. So you will get 97 over 31. After you get 97 over 31, you do this. Press Shift SD. What do you get?
3 and then 4 over 31.
I agree. 3 and 4, 31. And then change it to decimal. Press SD again.
3.129.
Yes, 3.129. Okay. Any su'al up to here?
Miss, for this, we have to use PEMDAS.
Yes, to solve anything in math, lazim you follow PEMDAS. It's not only in this lesson. In all lessons, lazim you follow PEMDAS.
Okay.
Can we move on?
Yes.
Okay. 51. Who wants to do?
Me.
Okay, do.
I say
Yes.
3 parentheses 8 close parentheses parentheses 4 close plus 16 square over
Where's parentheses?
over 8.
Okay. Continue.
Wait. 96
96.
plus parentheses
Now you've
لا
solved it.
256
Okay. Continue.
equal wait 44.
You skipped a step. This should be 352 over 8 and then 44. Okay?
Okay.
You have to add. Okay? Who's doing 52?
Me.
Okay, do.
Okay, we do parentheses and then parentheses 8
Okay, here it's okay. Okay, if you want to put parentheses, that's fine. Parentheses 8.
over parentheses 4,
Okay.
then close the parentheses, squared
Very good.
minus 16 in parentheses
Okay.
over 8 in parentheses minus 4 in parentheses.
Okay. Continue.
And,
Hey. Who is that? No noise. Continue.
and then in the first one, we will do, it will become 4. Wait,
No, it
Miss,
cannot become 4.
No, I have a question.
Ask.
We do the squared first or the
PEMDAS tells you what? PEMDAS says we do what?
parentheses.
Okay, so what is in the parentheses?
So I do 8 divide 4.
Okay.
2.
Okay.
Then times 2.
2 squared.
2 squared.
Continue. The answer to this is 2 squared minus.
Minus. Then we do, wait, 8 minus 4.
Come.
4.
Okay, continue.
16 divided by 4, it becomes 4.
Why are you starting on the left, Hamda? We read left to right.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Then, this one will become 4.
Okay.
Minus 16 divide 4, 4.
Okay.
So the answer is 0.
Okay. Why are you saying like you're not sure?
I don't know.
Who's doing 53?
Missing the exam, we have to do the big parentheses in A over B.
Yes.
No, the next يعني هذا.
Yes, you have to do it the way the Su'al gave it to you. Okay?
Okay.
Who is doing 53?
Me.
Okay, do.
2
Wait.
parentheses
Why are you forgetting your equal sign? 2 parentheses
8 close
8.
parentheses
Uh,
minus parentheses 4 close parentheses square
very good.
over parentheses 8 close parentheses 4 close parentheses plus parentheses 16 close parentheses minus parentheses 8 close parentheses over parentheses 4 close parentheses square.
Very good. Continue.
16 minus 16 over 4.
Hey, 8 that 4.
Uh, uh, 32.
I agree. Continue.
Wait. 8
What? You're missing something here. What should I
plus
write?
plus 8
Okay.
over 16
I agree.
equal 0
Uh-huh.
over 32 plus 8 كيف؟
What do you mean by kef? What is
خلاص
8
خلاص
taksim
اوكي
16? What is
اوكي
0 taksim 32?
0
Plus nus. And what is 0 plus nus? You're using a calculator, really? Hint. 0 plus
نص
a number is the
no
number.
نص نص
What's the answer?
1 over 2.
1 over 2. Very good. You box your answer.
Miss, can we write it as decimal?
No. The su'al is a fraction. Leave it as a fraction. Okay?
Miss, can you wait little?
Yes. Hurry up.
Miss, will this come in the writing or the multiple?
Yes, question 21 is writing.
Okay.
Today we are doing writing.
Today we will finish all the writing?
Yes,
If
we
we
should
can?
finish all the writing, hopefully.
Inshallah.
Yes. Can we move on?
Yes.
Excuse me. All right. In this question, you have two parts to the su'al. The su'al is asking you to use this formula and solve it for L. So you're going to divide your paper into two. Here you're going to do part A, and here you're going to do part B. So let us read. I should have read first. I don't know why I told you what you're supposed to do. Okay, this su'al is about rectangles, okay? Now, what do we know about the perimeter of a rectangle? The perimeter of a rectangle is given by this kanun, okay? So it tells you here, the formula perimeter equals to 2L plus 2W represents the perimeter of a rectangle. In this formula, L is the length of the rectangle and W is the width of the rectangle. Solve the formula for L. So you write the kanun. First you say what you're doing. I am solving for L. So I write the kanun. Yes.
Miss, in the exam we have to write what we will do.
It's always good because you're answering. What does question A say? Solve for L. So I'm saying here, solving for L. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So this is P equals to 2L plus 2W. Now, what do I notice? 2 is repeated. And I know this was distributive property. So I'm going to write it here. P equals to 2 parentheses L plus W. Okay. Now I need to remove this 2. This 2 has to go. How? Because I am darbing, I'm going to remove it by taksiming. So I'm going to taksim everybody by 2. So this 2 goes away. Now I have P over 2 equals to L plus W. I want L, so W has to go. How will W go? W will go by me subtracting W on both sides. Okay, this W will go away. So now my answer will be L equals T divided by 2 minus W. This W is not with P. This W is next to P. Okay? This W is by itself. It's only the P that is being divided by its nena. And this is your answer.
Miss Lilian,
Yes.
Miss, I don't understand part this too.
Okay, look here. Look at the kanun. Do you
Miss,
see this kanun?
why we do هذا? P over 2, will you say if they want L?
Yes. So I have to remove 2. This 2 has to go. How will it go? How will this itnena go? That itnena has to go. How will this itnena go? Lazim taksim because I'm darbing. 2 darb, this parenthesis will give me this. So?
Yes.
Okay, so to remove the 2, lazim taksim. Because darb, opposite of darb is taksim.
Miss, why we don't do minus 2W?
No. Okay, let's try that one. Okay, if you don't want to do this method, let's try yours. So we do P equals to 2L plus 2W. We can subtract 2W on both sides. We can do that. So this goes away. P minus 2W equals to 2L. Then you can taksim with 2. We can taksim with 2. This goes away. So look, this means P over 2 minus 2W over 2. So this goes away. Do you see that?
Yes.
So now your answer is P over 2 minus W, like me.
If I do this or this, it's correct, yes?
Yes. But here, don't make 1, 1, 2. Make 2 2s, like this. Make 2 2s. Okay?
Yes, okay.
Miss,
And then,
I have a question.
wait, just wait a little bit. Let me fix this a little bit. Sure. So this is, this and this goes away. So you have P over 2 minus W equals to L. And then this is your answer. Yes, whoever had a question, ask.
Okay, wait, Miss, you don't know me by my voice.
I know you, Hamda.
Okay, so in the part A, the one you just did, Miss, here it says, like in the last two parts, P minus W over 2, right?
No, it says P over 2 minus W.
Okay, anyways, it's not like
No,
okay.
no. Whatever you said is not what is written.
Okay, because I didn't know how to say it, you know.
Okay.
Now, here is L. How did this become there and like you know like how did it flip? Like the L went to that place. Oh, because you did. Oh, okay, I get it now. خلاص.
You understood? Okay.
Yes.
All right, let's do B. B says what? Find the length. So, B says find the length. Yes? So here is the kanun I will use. I will use this kanun. Okay? So, L equals P taksim ithnena minus the width. Did the question give me P? Yes. The P is 36. I taksim ithnena, I minus the width, which is arba. 36 minus ithnena is 18 minus 4, and my answer should be 14 meters. And I boxed, no, this is not my answer. I need to write a sentence. The length is 14 meters. Remember, this is writing, so you have to answer in a complete sentence. Okay?
Miss, it's lagging. We don't see what you write.
You're not seeing? You need to leave the screen and come back.
No, Miss, we see what you write, but we don't understand your handwriting.
This is length. I'm answering this one. Cell said find the length. Sir, that's what I wrote. Shui, wait. The length is 14 meters. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. We move.
Miss can you شو يعني تردين المهم Miss can you go page 21
Okay. Page 21 or question 21?
page 21
I don't know what is page 21.
دقيقة question Miss question
Okay, I am on question 21 here. This is question 21.
خلاص okay Miss wait somebody want to write
Okay. Screenshot. And this will be on YouTube. She can watch it again.
Miss, I
YouTube
want to write
Yes.
the sentence.
I will post this video on YouTube. It will be
Miss,
there.
complete, please, complete.
Okay. Can we move on?
Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
Ask.
In part B, he said that we have to find the length.
Mm-hmm.
So we take the result that we got from part A,
Mm-hmm.
the L equal P over 2 minus W,
Mm-hmm.
and we use this قانون to like
Mhm.
solve.
Yes, to help you solve.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay. Can we move on?
no Miss wait
Yes, Miss.
This recording will be on YouTube. You can watch it at your own time tomorrow. You're not coming to school tomorrow, sir. You have the whole day to watch this video. Can we move on?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now here, the question tells me to use the formula to solve for B, sir. So I know I need two answers. So I'm going to write here A. I'm going to write here B. So the Kanun says A equals to H taksim B. I want B, sir. So because this is a fraction, I need to make this a fraction. Then I will do butterfly method. Okay. So then I will have A times B equals to 1 times H. 1 times H is just H, and this one gives me AB. Because I want AB and I'm darbing, I'm going to taksim both sides by A. So B equals H over A. And I box my answer for question A. Okay. Part B says if the batter has a batting average of 325 thousandths and has 39 hits. So this is my H and this is my A. How many times has the player been at the bat? So the Sual is asking me to find B. My hits are 39 over A, no, over 0.325. And this should give me, how much? This should give me 120. This should give me 120. Then I will write the player has been at bat 120 times. And you box your answer. Okay, I'm just using these words. Has been at bat. Okay, the words are in the question. Can I move on?
Yeah.
yes
Okay. All right. Thomas went to the store to buy video games for this amount each. Okay, and controllers. The total amount Thomas spent is represented by this kanun, where C is the total cost, and G is the number of games he bought, and P is the cost of the controllers. The controllers cost 55 dirham, $55, and Thomas spent a total of 136. Solve the equation for G. So the equation is C equals to 1, this is part A. C equals to $13.50 G plus P. I want to solve for G. So P has to go minus P minus P. Remember, here is your bridge. Okay? So this becomes 0. So this you have C minus P equals to 1350 G. I want G, so 1350 has to go. And because I am darbing, I have to taksim. So I will divide both sides by 1350. So 1350 goes. So G equals to C minus P divided by 1350. And this is your answer for G. Then the question says, you spent how much? How much was your total cost? 136. So you follow Kanun. G equals the total cost, which represents C. How do I know? It says here, total cost is C. So that is 136 minus P. P is the cost of what? The cost of controllers. And here the Sual told me the controllers cost $55. And then I have to divide by 1350. And this gave me 81 over 1350. And this gave me 6. So then I will write Thomas bought 6 games. Thomas bought 6 games. And I box my answer. Okay? I'm answering, find how many games Thomas bought. So Thomas bought, the rakam I got, games. Any question?
Miss, can you repeat part A?
Okay, what about part A you didn't understand?
Okay, so why did we minus P?
Because
Why
it's
don't,
positive. Positive P.
why do we want it minus?
Because we want G. So whoever is with G has to go.
Where does it say that G is with P?
Here. Here, 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 here.
Where?
Here, look.
Oh, okay, okay.
Here, here.
So, okay.
I want G. Whoever is with G has to go. Who is with G? Positive P. Positive P will only go if it is negative. It goes on this side. Then who am I left with? I'm left with 1350 G. Who is with G? 1350. What are we doing here? We are darbing. Opposite of darbing, taksim.
Okay.
Listen, part B, what is the answer? The most برأي شو هاي؟
Thomas bought, use this word here. Thomas bought okay.
Yes.
We move on.
Yes.
We move on.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. All right. Solve the formula for H. Here is the formula. I want H. Okay. So A. So V equals to L times W times H. Taksim everybody with LW. This goes away. H equals to V over LW. So this is your answer for A. Okay. Now we want to do, where is my pen? It keeps disappearing. What's happening? Uh-oh. What is happening? Okay. All right. Now we need to do part B. Part B says what is the height? So that means I need to use this canon. H equals, what's my volume here? 50. Divide, what is my length? My length is 10, and I'm going to multiply with my width, which is 2. So this will be 50 over 20. My zeros go away, and this should be 2.5 or 2.5. What is my unit? Meters. Then you say the height is 2.5 meters. Or you can write it in decimal because you have shown how you got the decimal. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Right. Okay. The supplementary angles are two angles with the measures that have a sum of 180. Supplementary, two angles, sum of 180. Complementary angles are two angles that have a sum of 90. The measure of the supplement of an angle is 10 more. The measure of the supplement of an angle is 10 more than twice the measure of the complement of the angle. I told you reading is important. Murphy reading, Murphy answer. Okay? All right. So, how do I start this? Complement angle 90 minus x. Supplement angle 180 minus x. Okay? Now I want to write this. Okay, it says here supplement angle equals to twice the measure of the complement angle, twice complement angle, and 10 more. 10 more means plus 10. Okay? All right, supplement angle, this rakam, I write it over here. 180 minus x equals to 2. Complement angle, I write this over here. So 90 minus x plus 10. Then I solve. Distributive property, that gives me 180 minus 2x plus 10. And this gives me 180 minus x. Okay? Now I want my halves on the left and my rakams on my right. So minus 180 minus 180 plus 2x plus 2x. Okay? Remember, this is your bridge. This goes away. This gives you x. This goes away. This also goes away. X is 10. And there is your answer. Is that what the su'al want? Yes. So then you say the angle measure is 10 degrees. And you box your answer. Is that clear? Sa ula.
Yes.
Ah,
we were
wait,
right.
wait. You have two answers. Your equation, your first equation here. This is an answer, okay? So I'll say it write and solve an equation. So make sure you have two answers. This one you solved, here is your equation. You write it
Miss
180.
Lilian, how you got x equal 10?
I solved. Wait,
Okay,
just
but
let
you
me
have
finish. Wait, I finish. Give me 1 second, I'll explain.
Okay.
All right. According to my work, what you don't understand? Where did I lose you?
Miss, the last step, we have negative x plus 2x.
Come.
You put x equal 10.
Okay. What is negative? What is the answer to this house? What's the answer here?
I don't know.
No. What rakam is in front of x?
1.
What rakam is here?
1.
-1, not 1, -1. What is
Negative
1 plus 2?
-1.
Please use your calculator.
Wait.
1.
1, okay.
Okay, so 1x. This is 1x.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, then this one went away, sir?
Yes.
And this one went away, yes?
Yes.
Okay, what is remaining?
10 plus 10.
Yes, so here, 10.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. All right, we move on?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
All right, so all here says write and solve, write and solve. So you should have 2 answers, okay? And what are you solving for? The value of x. So first, you need to write an equation. So Al told you something very important. These figures have the same area, okay? So we're gonna write here, area of triangle should equal area of rectangle. Area of triangle is half times base times height. No one will remind you this kanun. You have been learning this kanun since grade 3. It should be in your brain. No one is reminding you. You have to remember it by yourself. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. Then what should you write here? Half times 8 parentheses x plus 4 equals 3 parentheses x plus 6. This is your first answer because it says write an equation. Now you want to solve it. Okay? So half times 8 x plus 4 equals to 3 times x plus 6. Don't forget your bridge. I will do this side first because it is shorter. 3 times x, 3 times positive 6 using distributive property. 3x plus 18. Then I will do this side. I will do that. That will give me 4 multiplied by x plus 4. Then I will do parentheses. I will do distributive property, which will give me 4x plus 16 equals to 3x plus 18. Half on the left, rakams on the right. Half is 3x has to move. And how? By subtracting because it is positive over here. 16 has to move to be with 18. Because it is positive, it will be negative when it is moving. 0, 0. This becomes x, and this becomes 2. And you box your answer. But you should check. You should check if this answer makes sense. I will come back here and check my work. Check. Half times 8, 2 plus 4 equals to 3, 2 plus 6. Yes. Okay.
Your share not open.
Leave, Shama, leave and come back.
Okay.
Okay. Half times 8 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 times, what is this? 8, sir? 4 times 6 is 24 equals to 24. So I know I am correct. Okay? Even here, you should have checked. Let's check. What was our x? Our x is 10. 180 minus, we are checking. 180 minus 10 equals to 2 times 90 minus 10 plus 10. 180 minus 10 is 170. And this will be 2 times 80 plus 10. 2 times 80 is 160 plus 10 is 170. So 170 equals 170. So we know we are correct. Okay? Any question?
Miss, I want to write the check.
The check for the other question?
Yes.
Okay.
Miss, this one that you are working on, this presentation, yes. This is the one that you told us to print?
Yes. The one
Okay.
that is in your WhatsApp group.
Yes, okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Miss Lillian, can we ask you a question in WhatsApp?
Yes, you can ask me questions in WhatsApp, but not now. Now I am not looking at my phone.
No, not now, yani tomorrow.
Yes, yes. And if you don't see me answering, just give me a missed call. I'll know you're looking for me. Because
Okay.
tomorrow I still have to look. I have exam for advance.
Okay.
Okay? Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay. All right. We are here. Su'al says write and solve an equation. Find the value of x. The figures have the same area. So this is rectangle 1 and this is rectangle 2. Both of them are rectangles. So I'm going to write area of rectangle 1 equals area of rectangle 2. Okay? I find area by multiplying length and width. Okay? The distance from here to here is I have to add these two. So I will take my length as 9 and my width as 5 plus x. And on this side, I will take my length as 15 and 3/7 and I will multiply by x. So I will do distributive property here and I will remember my bridge. So this is 45 plus 9x. Now, when I multiply this, I should get, okay. I should get 108 over 7. 108 over 7x. So who are friends? 9x and 108 out of 7x. So 9 has to go. 9 will go by subtracting. I will subtract 9 both sides. Subtract 9x both sides. So this goes away. I will get, let me continue over here. I will get 45 equal. When you subtract that, you should get 45 over 7x. Okay? Now I want to remove this fraction. I will remove this fraction by multiplying with the reciprocal. The reciprocal means flip the fraction. So multiply both sides by 77 over 45. Multiply by 7 over 45. This 45 goes away. This 7 goes away. This 45 goes away with that. I am left with x and I am left with 7. So 7 equals to x. So this is my second answer. Where was my first answer? Here is my first answer. So my first answer was 9, 5 plus x equals to 15 and 3/7 x. Because the Su'al told you to solve and write the equation. So here is the first answer. Here is your second answer. Now, check your work. Let me use another color to check. So I want to check. I have 9, 5 plus 7 equals to, this becomes 108 over 7. 108 over 7 multiply 7. This 7 and this 7 goes away. You will get 108. This is 9 times 12, and that should give you 108 equals to 108. And you check. So you know these two answers are correct. Okay? How much more time do I have?
Miss, when you finish.
Okay, let's finish this one. Then we will do the others tomorrow, okay?
Miss, I have a question.
Wait, let me finish this one.
Me too.
You have a question about what?
The question that we solve right now.
Okay, here, okay.
Yeah. So we have 15 3 over 7. How can I change it to 108 over 7?
Okay, press shift, press fraction. You should have 3 boxes.
Shift. And then a fraction.
Yes, shift. You press shift.
Yes.
And then you press this fraction box. Then 3 boxes should come.
Yes.
Okay, then put 15 and 3 over 7.
15 3 over 7.
Press equal.
38 over 7.
No, impossible. Make sure you put the right thing.
Oh, wait.
108 over 7.
She must have put the wrong thing.
Wait, miss. Shift, and then I do equal. No, shift and
shift fraction.
shift fraction.
3 boxes will come.
15. And then 5 over 7.
3 over 7, Rafia. 3.
3 over 7. It will give me 108 over 7.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Right. Anybody else has a su'al? We move on?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Same thing here. Su'al wants you to write and solve an equation to find the value of x, and the figures have the same area. This is called a trapezoid, and this is called a rectangle. Okay? Trapezoid. Okay, so we're gonna write area of trapezoid equals area of rectangle. Area of trapezoid, you're lucky the book gave you Kanun. Half times height, base 1 plus base 2 equals length times width. So length times width will be 12 multiply x, which is 12x. Says here, sir. Let me write it here, rectangle. Okay, then here I am going to put half. My height is 6. My base 1, doesn't matter which one you start with. Okay, and then I will repeat it. Half times 6, x plus 12. And this is my first answer. Okay, make sure you put that here so you don't forget. Okay, that's the equation. Now we want to solve it. So write it, let me use a different color. So here we are solving. So half times 6, and then x plus 12 equals to 12x. Half times 6 is 3, x plus 12. Don't forget your bridge, equals to 12x. Distributive property, 3x plus 36 equals to 12x. I want my friends to be together. So 3x has to go to be with 12x. And because it is positive, it will become negative as it is moving towards 12x. So this goes away. I have 36 equals to, how much is this? What is 12 minus 3? 11. Huh?
No, 9.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, 9. What am I thinking about? Yes, it's 8 o'clock. I'm tired. 9x. What do I do now? Divide by 9.
Divide 9.
Divide by 9. X is 4. So this is your second answer. Now let us check. Do I have space for checking? I will try and check over here. I wrote too big. I will check over here. Let me use a different color. Let me use green. So I will use this Canon. So right here, half multiply 6, 4 plus 12 equals to 12 times 4. This is 48. This is 3 times what? 16. And that should be 48 equals to 48. So
صح.
this is my check. Okay. So we stop here. Tomorrow we will do the rest. Okay.
Miss, can I ask you a question from part 1?
Yes, ask. Which su'al?
Miss, in part 1,
Yes, which su'al on part 1? Question what?
uh, question 1 to 15.
Here. Look up here. Here. Where is my pen? Wait. You see here? What rakam is
Yes.
it on your paper?
1.
Question 1. Okay.
Miss,
Which?
number 15.
Okay.
Miss, why we don't do butterfly? We do multiply 7.
You can do butterfly. Who's stopping you to do butterfly? You can do multiply. But remember, if you're taking the negative, you can only either go with T or with 7. So you decide where you want the negative to be.
Miss, I cannot put it in the 2 يعني in
No,
T.
the negative is only 1. So it's either in T or it is in 7. So remove it here, put it in T, and then do this. Do butterfly. So you have negative T multiply 15 equals to 1 multiply 7. Negative 15T equals to 7. Taksim by negative 15. Taksim by negative 15. T should be 7 over 15, but negative. And you box your answer. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Any other su'al?
Miss, can you go back to the last question that we solved because I want to capture it?
Okay. Wait, I want to remove this.
Miss, I have a question.
Ask.
Do you think that in the final exam they will give us like the formula for the area and
No,
stuff like
no,
that?
no.
Why?
No, this is why I tell you, lazim, you know the green book. That's why we do the green book, so you can see the Kanun every day, so you can remember. No
You
one
know,
is giving you Kanun.
Miss, I tell you, today in the science exam, they put the formulas for us.
Yes, science will give you the formula. They baby you. Math, no one is babying you.
Sadi.
You are a big girl now. You should know Kanun.
I know.
Yes. Rafia, are we done?
Yes, Miss. Thank you so much.
Okay, masalama, my girls. See you tomorrow.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.